The second biggest event in the country is called Preseren Day. Preseren Day is on February the 8th every single year, and it's named after Slovenia's most famous poet, Franz Prešeren. Prešeren died on February 8th, 1849, so every year they celebrate his life by having a huge national day of culture. On this day, all across Slovenia, museums and galleries offer free entry. So if you're traveling in Slovenia on February 8th, or if you're coming here just for the special day, you can go to all the museums and galleries for free. It's a huge national day of culture, and Slovenia does an amazing job celebrating this. I went last year to the top of the castle, and it was special. It was cold, but it was a really, really nice day. So if you're in Slovenia on February the 8th, that is the second most important day in Slovenia this month. Number 3 is Luvfest. Luvfest starts on February the 8th, Preseren Day that we just talked about, and it ends on March 12th. So this one has a much bigger scope of time. So anytime during that period, you can participate in this event. This is a citywide art and culture festival.